very much.
Thank you so much. I'm told.
Candidates,
So I have finished all your questions. Now I want to ask all of you, the media people, be my campaign. Tell the whole world that the best candidate is Nandala Mafabi. I want to ask people of Uganda again that I'm your candidate. I'm a candidate who has no hate, who has no hatred, who comes to build bridges, who loves every Ugandan. I am one of those whom we should trust. Above all, I am a God-fearing person. I love God. I love my God. I have been married with my wife, Flora Nandala, the woman, for 32 years. And we have no plans of leaving each other. And we want... I came here with my bishop. I want to introduce my bishop and his wife, Bishop Patrick Girod and Mama. Thank you for escorting me. Of course, all those people are people of FDC. I want to introduce my brother Jack Sabit, who has been my mentor from civil service up to now. I want to introduce my brother Poa, whom I've known for over 30 years. We will live together. I want to talk about my sister,